Hello everyone, this is InDesign CC tutorial. Let's start. File, open. I wanted to find InDesign folder. Inside the tutorial, there's a number 6 transform. Open number 6 transform. Okay, so in this file, you will see that kind of a short book about and with kind of 8 pages. Okay, and we'll learn about kind of transform of the object. Okay, let's start. So first one, okay, so let's say we need one more menu, one more garden. Okay, how I can copy. So I'm in the selection tool. Okay, here is black arrow. Okay, and if I hold the option key, I can just make a duplicate it. Okay, but still hold the option key. But if you hold the shift key, I can drag exactly straight down, and you will see that there's a green smart guide. Okay, one more time I want to show. So I'm selecting rock garden. I'm hold the option shift key and just drag down, and there's a green as a right side. There's a smart guide to show the kind of same kind of spacing between. Release. Okay, so I successfully copy one of the rock garden, and I'm gonna go to T as a type tool, and I'm gonna change the rock garden to your first name and garden. Okay, so there's a Japanese cottage rock and your name and garden. Okay, so we make a copy. Okay, command option 0. So I will see that this image together. You can just click the command option. Okay, and what I want to copy everything, and I want to paste here. Okay, so I'm gonna select all, command C, just using your kind of cursor or this bar. I'm gonna second page, command V. Okay, and then I'm trying to just paste it here. Okay, but I'm not sure. I think spacing is a little bit different and with this one. Okay, so let's do again. So I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna select command C, copy. There's a copy, command C. Okay, and I'm gonna go to this is the second page you already. Let's go to the third page. Okay, and I'm gonna go to edit. There's a paste in place. Just click paste place. It means it will paste exact same position, same location. So it will be exactly same where you copy. Okay, so copy, command C, it's the same. Command V, regular copy, just copy in the center of your documentation. But paste in place, it's very very useful tool you can use. Okay, let's say you need the kind of menu left side, and then you want to put all the menu will be same size exactly, several pages. Okay, it'll be great to paste in place. Okay, or you have a same size photo, any kind of photo album, and you want to paste it everything same size and same position, and paste in place will be great to put everything same position. Okay, so there's two options: regular paste, command V, and paste in place in the menu will be paste exactly same location. Okay, let's moving on. Okay, so there's an image. Okay, and I want to hold the option key. I want to drag to the right side. Okay, or you can drag with the shift key, it's up to you. Okay, and then now I'm gonna select both these two images and hold the option key. I want to drag one more time. I want to drag. Okay, so I just kind of copy the 6. Okay, it's very easy. If you just hold the option key, you can drag one more here, and I just hold the option key, just drag, release, drag, release. So I copy 2 times, and I easily create these 5 more copies. So altogether 6 images. Okay, so this is just using once you have a selection tool, and you can just copy by just hold, press option key. Okay, I want you to be really used to the option key. It will work in Illustrator. It will work in InDesign too. Okay. Let's go to next page, and I want you to select it. I want you to go edit, go to step and repeat. Okay. And here, make sure you have a preview, and I want you to type 230 point, and horizontal will be 270 point. Okay, so that's it. This one exactly, I can have this space in the between. I can kind of control, and I have a row 1, 2, 3 rows, and there will be 2 columns. So I create the 6. So this one will be useful. Let's say you want to create a really kind of grid. You want to be like 10 row and 20 columns, or like 5 or like 10 columns. Like same image or something, you have to be multiplied, and then you want to be very controlled but between space. This will be very useful tool. And make sure you're gonna click the preview. Seems good, and click OK. Okay, there's a two-way. And if you just want to copy and flexibly positioning, hold the option key will be easy. But you want to be more kind of grid, you want to be more consistency, and if you need to you want to be copy a lot and kind of multiply, it'll be better to using edit, step and repeat. Okay, so let's moving on to next page. Okay, so there's an image I want you to check. Okay, so in the top, when you click this kind of object, this is graphic, and you have this object toolbar will be the top, will be active. Okay, and then you will see that in the top left corner, that is reference point. Okay, so this is kind of standard, where you start. And X and Y is 0 pixel, right? So you can change right click. If you use something about like point or pixel or inches, we can change with a pixel, and we can change with a pixel. So this time we will working on with a pixel. Okay. So in here, let's say if I want to move 300 pixel and X point 300 pixel. So it was start from here 0, 0. 300 here, 300 here. So now we are here. Okay. So in this one, usually you can just kind of move, right? But if you want to somehow need precisely positioning and move, you can just type. Okay, this is 300 pixel, 300 pixel, but with an inch, you can have a 1 inch, 1 inch, or 2 inch, 2 inch, whatever you need. Okay, and this one is width and height, and make sure we want to click and it's a link with the same proportion. So let's say if I want to be 250, and you realize it will just make a bigger of frame, not the image itself. This is not what I want. Okay, so I want to come back to Command Z, so undo resize item. So I'm gonna come back, or you can just retype. Okay, rather than using, so this is width and height will be control of your image frame. Okay, so I want to change with this transform of size of image. The percentages will be work. So I want to increase 150 and make sure that this is still link. Okay, so now it was increase of frame size and also increase image size. This is what I want. Okay, and now we can change the rotation. Okay, and here you will see rotation and clockwise. Kind of come back. This is another clockwise, and you have to make sure that this is reference point. So this is kind of standard. That's why it will be kind of clockwise this way, and clockwise this way. And you will see that this is the flip and flip, come back, flip, vertically flip and come back. Okay. So in here we want to, we can also type here. So let's find 45 degree. Okay. And let me move this one to the center. Okay, let's do 150 and I'm going to put 300. Okay, So X will be 150 pixel and Y will be 300 pixel. Okay, I was increased 150, and after I increase of the scale, and now will be reset as 100. Okay, and then I rotate 45-degree, and you just remember, and this point, this one will be the kind of standard. Okay, so we learn about using all transformation tool on the top. Okay, that's going down. Okay, so this one, what I want to increase up to 600 pixel is a width. Okay, but if I select it, if I change with this one, 600 pixel, it will only increase about frame size. This is not what I want. So Command Z and come back. So I want to select image and text everything, and I want to type with a scale 600 pixel, enter. So now frame size width become a 600 pixel, image become a 600 pixel, it was enlarged, and type text become increased by 600 pixel. Okay, so this scale tool will be more useful. Okay, this looks good. Go to, I think this is end of the page. Okay, file, save as, this is transform, put your name, save, and go to the file and go to export and transform here, and this will be PDF, and make sure you need to click view PDF after exporting so you can successfully export as PDF and you can check. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, you see that we create is a garden, and this one we just command V a paste, and this is the paste but in place, exactly same size of the kind of first one where you copy, same location. And this one we was using hold the option key to just kind of copy the object 6 times, and this one we was using in the edit and step and repeat. Okay, and this one we learn how we can change about location and width and height, and then scale 150%, and we can rotate. In this one we select everything, we increase of the scale up to the width up to 600 pixel, it will be increased frame, image, and text all together. That looks good. This is end of tutorial.